In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance mode on your website. Now, whether you're using a website builder or a WordPress plugin, or you're thinking about uploading a custom maintenance page, this guide will cover what you need to know. Let's dive right in. If you're using a website builder, most modern platforms offer a maintenance mode feature. Once you've logged into your website builder, head over to the settings panel. Typically, you find this under Site Tools or Site Settings. Look for the option labeled Maintenance Mode or Site Offline. When you select this, you'll get the choice to activate it. What this does is it presents a default message to visitors letting them know the site is undergoing maintenance. It's a respectful and professional way to inform visitors why they can't access your site. For enthusiasts using WordPress, the process involves a handy plugin. First, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section found on the sidebar and hit Add New. In the search bar, type Maintenance Mode to discover various plugins available. Popular ones include Maintenance by Web Factory Lutai or WP Maintenance Mode and Coming Soon. Click Install Now on your chosen plugin, and once installed, don't forget to activate it. Now head to Settings, where you'll see your new plugin listed. Here, you can configure the appearance of your maintenance mode screen. It's a chance to add custom text or even a countdown timer, tailoring the message to your visitors and keeping them engaged while the site is unavailable. Alternatively, some of you might want a personal touch with a custom maintenance page. To do this, you'll first need a simple HTML file ready. You could use any standard HTML editor like Visual Studio Code or even Notepad. The essential part is to craft a user-friendly message. Perhaps something like, "We'll be back soon, currently updating for a better experience." Once your HTML file is crafted and saved, uploading is the next step. Access your website's hosting server via an FTP client, such as FileZilla. Once connected, can locate your website's root directory. This is often labeled as public HTML. Upload your custom maintenance page here, ensuring it's named clearly, something like maintenance mel. While setting up maintenance mode is essential, don't forget to test it out. Visit your website from a regular browser to see how it displays. It's a simple precaution to ensure everything's in order. And once your maintenance is complete, remember to deactivate maintenance mode or remove your custom page. Everything should smoothly transition back to normal for your audience. These options give you flexibility based on your platform or personal preference. Whether you use a builder feature, a WordPress plugin, or a custom page, maintaining professionalism during site downtime is key. With these tools at your disposal, you can ensure visitors are well informed while you make those crucial site updates. Thank you for tuning in and happy website building.